Hello from Hengehold Trucks. You are looking at a 2019 Ford F350 with 19,230 miles. Stick around to the end of this video to hear this baby's engine purr. This vehicle's highlights include a royal utility body, top opening boxes, a forklift loadable materials rack, Bluetooth, power windows and door locks, a backup camera, a receiver hitch, and more. It is eligible for a Section 179 tax write-off. Businesses have counted on Hengehold trucks for over 75 years. Every truck we sell is carefully selected, inspected, and serviced for reliability. We don't do gimmicks or shortcuts, just quality trucks, fair deals, and a handshake you can count on. At Hengehold, it's more than a truck. It's your business.